Welcome at the second episode of Dear Yo's Typewriter collection. The first episode was about a Chevron speedwriter, and now I'm doing about the Royal Tab-O-Matic in 1971. This machine is bought at the recycling shop. Can't remember for how much, can't remember when. Anyway, it's a really great machine, and I will show you guys. Let's just open up right here. Comes with the original instructions and guarantee registration. Here, Royal Portable Instruction Folder of the Royal Tab-O-Matic typewriter. Let me just show you. Yeah, see page 1, page 2, page 3, and page 4. This is how it looks at the front. This came with it also. It is the Royal Typewriter Company paper. It shows all the typewriter shops in the US and Canada in 1971. So this is authorized service centers in the USA. All in the USA. All these, if you can see it, I'm just here. USA. Here at the back is Canada, Authorized Service Centers Canada, and that's way less than the US. Anyway, this is how the registration folder looks like. It says February, date of purchase February 7, 1971, and the serial number is 2081583. I had to laugh kinda because I was standing here cart below within 10 days of date of purchase. Well, that's a lot of time ago. Anyway, let's just crack up here. Wait, I'll just show you guys. It has tab. This is the tab button, like you see. There's margins, margin release. There should be there is no tab settings. Too bad for that. But anyway, paper holder. Color selector, shift lock on one side. It has the 1, an exclamation mark. I had to fix the cover because, like you can see, I think, are the 2 rubbers here, rubber bands, and there should be rubbers here, but they were broken off because, well, let me think. They're about 40 years old, and they were so cracked and busted that I just took them out and fixed them with some rubber bands, which was a long time ago when I fixed that. They belong all there. It has a spring lever, so when you put it in the box, it goes like this automatically. You can even touch the table with it. It has an ink spot right here and a little damage spot right here. I don't get that away anymore, even the ink spot. They're just so old, it doesn't work. Just let me grab a piece of paper and let's crank it up. This machine has 1.5 space and 2 spaces, and not like no spaces, like when you move the lever. It doesn't work at all. Just let me turn this light on for a second. It's a bit easier to see. Sometimes the keys get jammed. Jeez. Sorry about this. Has a big type, like you can see here. There's some stuff here, but it's old. Yeah. So let me see what's more. Not much to paper roll buttons on the side. Here it says the serial number and which year it's coming from, made in Japan. Don't know what that means, but No, it's made in Japan, but I don't know what kind of quality it is then. It says here, Office Outfitters, Brian Ball and Co. Ltd. And there should be some city names here, but they're so old and cracked that I can't see it anymore. Anyway, this is the Royal Lytton Tab-O-Matic of 1971. Thank you for watching this video.